If your distribution board catches fire, it doesn't start big. It starts small, silently, inside one loose connection. Let me show you what really causes it. Main causes of electrical fire in distribution boards. There are 4 major causes of electrical fire inside a distribution board. 1. Loose terminals. When cables are not tightened properly, they create resistance. Resistance produces heat. Heat causes burning. 2. Overloading. Too many appliances on one circuit. The breaker may not trip fast enough, wires overheat. 3. Undersized cables. Small wire carrying heavy current equals overheating. 4. Poor quality breakers or fake materials. Low quality MCBs fail to trip during fault conditions. Warning plus solution. If you notice burning smell, discoloration, crackling sound, frequent tripping, don't ignore it. Turn off power and call a qualified electrician. Electrical fire doesn't happen suddenly, it's usually negligence. Install it right, tighten it right, protect lives, stay safe.